Okay, so welcome to today's lecture. We're back again, and today we are talking about can you become a real estate investor? So basically, what are the requirements for you to invest in real estate? So a lot of people ask me this question. So I've had my YouTube channel for over a year now. I've been talking about real estate on my YouTube channel, answering questions. And a lot of people want to know, especially some of our younger folks out there, they want to know what is required for them to become an investor in real estate. So, one of the big questions I get related to this is, do you have to have a real estate license to invest in real estate? And the answer is no, you do not require a real estate license to invest in real estate or any other type of license to invest in real estate. So let's just run down a quick list, of what the requirements are and some of the common questions. So, is there an age requirement to start investing in real estate? So, actually, there's not an age requirement, but to sign certain documents in certain cities and states, you need to be 18 years of age. If not, you'll need a legal guardian or a parent to sign those documents with you or for you in order for you to start investing in real estate. But once you turn 18, that is the only age requirement to start investing in real estate. Okay, so that's number one. Are there any licenses required? No, there are no licenses required. Um, some people ask, do you need some type of education or certificate to be able to invest in real estate? No, you don't need a special education or a special certificate to invest in real estate either. Like I said, I don't have an educational background in real estate. I don't have a license for real estate. I have a driver's license, but that's definitely not a real estate license. And you do have to take your ID, usually your driver's license, when you go to close on a house. But you don't need a special real estate license or a special certificate to be able to invest in real estate in the United States. Um, do you like here's a really big question. And that question is, do you need to have cash out of pocket to start investing in real estate? And if you've been paying attention to some of my previous lectures already, the answer to this question is also no. There are other ways to get money to start investing in real estate, but it does not have to be your own money. Okay, so that is not a requirement either. Are you required to be a U.S. citizen? No, you do not have to be a U.S. citizen to buy real estate in the United States. You will probably need to get representation or an attorney or a law firm to represent you in that purchase, but you do not have to be a U.S. citizen. And you don't actually have to be a citizen of other countries to be able to buy real estate. You might have to have a passport and permission to enter that country. But like when I bought real estate in the Dominican Republic, all I had to have was my passport, and I was able to buy two different properties. I even was able to secure a loan in the Dominican Republic to buy a property. Now, that bank that I dealt with was sort of a mess, and that whole process was sort of a mess. But nevertheless, I did not need to be a citizen to buy investment properties over there as well either. Okay. So, do you need to be a resident of a certain state if you're interested in buying real estate in that state? The answer to that is also no. So, if I want to buy real estate in California or Las Vegas or Florida and invest in real estate in Texas, I do not have to be a resident of that state to buy real estate there. All right, so that's a beautiful thing because if the real estate market dries up where you are, or if it's more risky where you are, you can start looking out of state. Plenty of people do that all the time, every day. Okay, so no, you do not have to be a resident of a certain state to buy real estate in that state. Okay, so that answer is no. So if all of these things, if you don't need uh, any of these things to get started in real estate, what do you need? You need knowledge. That's right. Knowledge. You need to understand what you're doing. You got to know what you're doing. So from the time that you wake up and you think, I'm ready to start investing in real estate. What is my first step? There it is. What is your first step? You got to know. You got to study. You got to learn. So, first thing is, where do you find properties? Then once you find a property, how do you evaluate that property to know whether it's a good deal or not? Then when you go see that property physically, what do you look for? What are you watching? What are you watching out for? When you're ready to make an offer on that property, how do you make an offer? Who do you talk to? What's the process? Um, excuse me. Once you make that offer, then what? Where do you get the money from? If that offer is accepted, what are the next steps? Where do you get the money from in order to fund that deal? Okay. Then when it's time to, you got the money together, and you're ready to close, how do you choose a title company? What is a title company? You just need knowledge to be able to invest in real estate, um, and I'm going to help you with that. So again, thank you for being involved in the learning process with this course. And wake up, we got a lot more to learn. So I'll talk to you in the next lecture.